Hey guys, what's up? So Xiaomi is going to announce the Mi Mix 4 tomorrow, but right before the launch, the key specs of the device have leaked on Weibo. It is after 3 years that Xiaomi is going to launch the successor to the Mi Mix 3, which was released way back in November of 2018. Anyway, the phone is expected to come with some pretty unique features, which should make the wait worth it. But first, let's get the specs out of the way. So as for a new leak, the Mi Mix 4 will feature a 6.67-inch AMOLED panel with curved edges. It will support a Full HD Plus resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, so no fancy QHD Plus resolution here, but that hardly matters on a phone's tiny display. The display will also come with a 480Hz touch sampling rate, a 120Hz refresh rate and 10-bit color depth. The front side of the phone is protected by the latest Gorilla Glass Victus, which is kind of the best protective glass that you can get right now. Under the hood, the phone will be one of the first phones to get the Snapdragon 888 Plus chipset, which will be coupled with LPDDR5 RAM and UFS 3.1 storage. The device will be packed with a 4500 mAh battery that supports 120 watts fast wired charging and 50 watts wireless fast charging. Coming to the camera specifications, so according to the leak, it will have a triple camera setup at the back with a 108 megapixel Samsung HMX sensor with support for OIS, a 13 megapixel camera with a freeform lens and a 120-degree field of view, and finally an 8 megapixel periscope telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom and OIS as well. Now on the front is where things get a little interesting with a 20 megapixel camera that will be placed under the display just like the upcoming Z Fold 3, but it is expected that Xiaomi's implementation would be better than the one on the Z Fold 3. Reliable leaker Digital Chat Station had recently shared a video of the smartphone on Weibo showcasing the phone screen panel that uses a new flexible screen technology that is far more flexible than the UTG on Samsung's foldable smartphones, as you can see in this video. You can also see that the under-display camera is hardly visible when the screen is lit. Also, it is expected that there won't be any visible difference between the result of the front-facing camera and the main camera due to it being placed under the display. Coming to the back, so recently a snapshot of the promotional poster of the Mi Mix 4 was leaked on Weibo, which revealed the rare design of the smartphone. The poster reveals that the Mi Mix 4 has a large-sized square-shaped camera module just like the Mi 11 Ultra. The big 108 megapixel camera is placed under a large lens, which is a trend these days. The wide-angle camera is on the right, while the periscope camera is placed under the main camera, accompanied by a flash and some sensors. The poster also teases the front design of the smartphone with a curved display and no notch or punch hole since it features an in-screen camera. Apart from the under-display camera, the phone will also come with a UWB or ultra-wideband technology, which is evident from this poster shared by the company where the Mi Mix 4 is pointed towards the TV. Other notable features include Wi-Fi 6E, dual stereo speakers by Harman Kardon, and an IP68 rated water and dustproof chassis. The device is around 8.02 mm thick and weighs around 225 grams. The body will be made entirely out of ceramic and will come in colors like ceramic grey, ceramic white and ceramic black. It could be available in 8256, 12256 and 12512 GB variants. There's no information about the price, but we can expect it to be priced higher than the Mi 11 Ultra. Also, Xiaomi has no plans to launch it outside of China, which was confirmed by the product PR for Xiaomi Global. Now, Xiaomi just won't launch the phone in tomorrow's event, but might also throw in a smart speaker and the Mi Pad5 as well. The first-hand smart speaker will launch with a symphony of technology and art. There's not a lot of information about this new speaker from Xiaomi, but it will come with dual-band Wi-Fi support, which implies that it will be able to connect with smart homes and would likely be able to act as a control hub that lets users control other smart home products via voice commands. As for the Mi Band 5, it is expected to be powered by the Snapdragon 860 SoC. Xiaomi has also shared an image of the tablet's retail box, which appears to be a little too slim to carry a charger in there. So it looks like the company will stick to offering no charger in the box. Nothing to worry about, as the company does give you an option to get it for free if you need one. Now there's another box at the back which is slightly bigger and presumably has the Mi Pad5Pro inside. The 5 Pro is expected to be a flagship tablet and come powered with the Snapdragon 870 and 67 watts of fast charging, while the Mi Pad 5 will get a slower charging speed. There's also an image of the official case in green color with a seam that runs across, which might be for the kickstand built into the case. So that's it for this video. Do let me know what do you think about the Mi Mix 4 and the Mi Pad tablets. Do you think that the market for Android tablets will grow due to the pandemic and online studies? Let me know in the comments. Also, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tech videos. I will see you all in the next one. Till then, bye bye and stay safe.